Today we're talking about how to help government customers identify services that they can move safely to the cloud, and how they align themselves with the recent government mandates around Cloud First and around the 25-point plan, which mandates that each agency select 3 services that they must move to the cloud by the end of 2012. As a customer looks to adopt a cloud solution, there's several questions they should ask the vendor to explain and describe before they choose a vendor and a solution. The first of which is, what is the agency problem that you're trying to solve? Have you identified clear ROI requirements? And have you identified what the customer deliverables are going to be, so at the end of the implementation you know that you've chosen the right solution? Next, what is the risk profile of the service that you're trying to move? Have you identified the security requirements for that solution? And have you aligned those with the vendor solution to ensure that you're in alignment between vendor and customer? Next, can the vendor actually provide real-world operational examples of implementations they've done with another customer whose business requirements, which you defined in point number 1, with your own requirements, and make sure that they've developed clear ROI, that they can demonstrate that ROI, that they can show you clear customer examples of success criteria that were met. Next, can the vendor demonstrate that they have integration with the new social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter? Do they interface and have a capability for mobile devices to provide citizens and warfighters and constituents with access to government when they need it through the device that they need it from? Does the vendor provide an operational framework for which you can see more than just is the cloud up or down? Can you see your individual service? Can you tell how your consumption is compared against what you've purchased? And do you have the flexibility to buy more services or reduce your services at the end of the year if you're not consuming what you've actually purchased? And finally, does the vendor you're choosing have a security framework in place that aligns with your own security practices? All these are important to make sure that you choose the right solution, and that solution will align itself with the government mandates around Cloud First and around the 25-point plan.